Welcome to RBO. Today guys, we're going to be doing something a little different. We are going to be cooking. What are we going to be cooking? Hardtack, or ship's biscuits. What you need for that is 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of water, then you're going to need 1 tablespoon of salt. So we're going to go ahead and mix that in. We're using whole wheat flour for this. You could use bleached flour. I heard it does last longer. And this is just a little bit over 2 cups. You sprinkle your salt in there. Get this all mixed up. This is a learning experience for both of us. This is my first time cooking this dish. I remember the first time I ever heard of hardtack. I was in, elementary school. We're learning about history. Talking about Christopher Columbus and what he ate coming over. It was mostly hardtack, salted pork. We went ahead and put the whole cup in there. Hopefully we don't regret that, which we probably will. Usually you want to start off with half a cup, just to make sure, because the drier it is, the better it is. Easier it'll cook. Get that all bunched up. We'll come back when we get it all messed up for you guys. As you can see, you got it to thicken up a little bit. Went ahead and added just a little bit more water. So I'd say 1.5 cups of water, but add it in half increments just to make sure. Like I said, this is my first time making this recipe. So we're gonna see how it goes together. Make sure you get all that extra flour up there. It's almost ready to take out of the bowl. Let's try to get it out. Okay guys, now we're gonna take it out, knead it real good. Don't know how much flour I'm really supposed to disperse like that. This is also my first time baking anything, so let's see how it goes. Let's try to roll it. And this is what we're supposed to be doing. Maybe this isn't a cooking video, it's a learn with me video. Back. Let's read this table stop. Just want to knead it real good. Make sure that moisture is spread out evenly. Let's break this. I feel like I did. Almost. Crappy roller. Just want to make sure it's all broken up. Pretty much looking the same. Don't want to get that in there. We get all this extra shenanigans up to the side. And just kind of see what you're working with. That's about right. So we give her a couple more rolls, and she's good to break apart. Okay guys, last bit of rolling with this really crappy roller. If I make any more videos, I have to get a different roller. How many bread videos can you make though? See, it just wants to keep popping out on me. Rolled this last time. That's looking about right. So what you want to do is, when you're done rolling, take your sheet. Now you could either go hardtack the original way, which is just usually cut it like a tic-tac-toe board, have a couple different squares. But today we're going to do it in the pirate biscuit style. So we're just going to rip off a couple pieces, hopefully at the right amount. So let's see what this comes into. Just knead it to a nice biscuit shape. Maybe could have used a little more rolling. Let's see. Make sure they're not any more than a ½ inch thick. We'll go ahead and do that to the rest of this and get it out on a tray. Okay, now we got them out onto a tray. We're gonna go ahead and use some chopsticks to poke some holes in it, just to make sure it dries out correctly. It doesn't pop and crack open, destroy all the bread. I'm gonna do it kind of randomly. So make sure you go all the way down, do a little twist. It's also used with or work with a toothpick. But I assume, don't know, the bigger the hole, the better venting for moisture. Nope. Yeah. I think that should be good for that one. One more over here. And then you're just gonna repeat that to all of them. Okay guys, we got all holes popped in them so they can get properly vented. And I also forgot to tell you earlier, this food is actually one of the oldest survival foods, I believe next to honey. I think the oldest piece that was discovered was 6,000 years old. So you can't be wrong for that long. We're gonna take you down the oven and pop her in. Okay, we're back on the drawing board. We got our hardtack. We got it all back into one clump. We're gonna go ahead and actually just do the sheets of hardtack. I don't know if it's the flour I'm using or the technique, but I'm having issues getting it to mold without having a lot of cracks through it. So we're just gonna go ahead and do it this way. Make sure it's kneaded. Try to spread out as much as you can. You want it barely ½ inch. This stuff does cook faster. The other stuff would be about 4 hours at 450. I believe this is going to be about 4 hours at 240. Not quicker, but less heat, using less energy. And we might not get away with a tic-tac-toe design, but we will find a way to cut this into squares. Okay. We can always use the extra bits and remeat them. Here we are, guys. We got our knife. We're just gonna go ahead and cut a nice little sheet here. Not very good with straight lines. Let's see. Definitely cut that off. See, we can use these extra 2 pieces, meet them back together, make some more sheets. Say right here. And right here. There we go. Got one long bar. Let's not pull that up just yet. Getting excited. Here we're just gonna slice. Slice. Bigger the better, because it does shrink after cooking. There you go. You have your sheets. Put that on the pan real quick. We'll go ahead and do it to the other one. And here we are, everyone. I don't want to disclose how long that took to put all those holes in there. But as you can see, we got them pretty good all the way through. And yeah, we're gonna throw it in the oven. All right, we're at 255. Slide it on in there. We're gonna let that be in there for 2 hours. We're gonna come back and we're gonna flip them. All right, guys, it's been 2 hours. Heck yeah, nothing's cracking yet. It's my biggest worry because I saw in the Townsend video when he did his, or one of the times he did his, he actually cracked them because moisture got in there. But we're gonna go ahead and flip them, put them back in. Honestly, you should be able to just flip them like that. Not ripping the paper too much. Please remember they are 255 degrees. So, quick handling. Would not recommend this out. I burned my fingertips from work. They're so hot. I apologize for the lighting, guys. It got dark out. Did not bring down my light. Those guys are already rock hard. That side seems hotter. And there we go. Open this sucker up. Put this back on, because we're not that goofy. Wait, no, we're that goofy. We're just not stupid. There we go. And oh, we do have a couple cracks there. Hopefully this doesn't cook my phone. We'll see in the end. Everything comes out. 2 more hours, see what happens. Okay guys, we are back. We're gonna check our hardtack. Looks good. Of course, we still have those little bumps. Not bumps, we have some cracks down here. Oh, try not to. But, oh yeah. Right off. Oh, let me kill the that's definitely good. So what you want to do next is let this hardtack cool down, and then you can pack it up which way you want to. Make sure it's a good seal, whatever you're using, because these things get bugs in them very fast and you won't notice them until you eat them. So if you don't want to eat bugs, seal them up good. If you guys enjoyed the video or my attempt at first, please leave a like. Comments always welcome. I'd love to hear feedback. Anything else you guys want me to cook up or attempt to, it would be lovely to hear from you guys. Thank you guys for watching the video. Have a nice day.